So obviously quite a big down day yesterday. I managed to catch some of YM as well as NQ. If you were on the pre-market stream as well, you would have been to listen to me say that I did prefer the shorts yesterday on the American markets. We are trading lower overnight as well. We currently are at Asia lows as well. So going to be interesting to see what we do get. But basically, I can walk you through my trades yesterday that I did take. So the NASDAQ, we took out pre-market lows. That's what I was mentioning yesterday. If we're trading kind of in this range from Friday, or excuse me, Tuesday, Monday into Tuesday like this, where we had a high as well as a low set. Let me just mute the guys. Just make sure you mute it in the Discord, guys. But if you got any questions, make sure to put in the chat. But this is the range that we were kind of trading in between 25,350 and 25,200. And once we took out those lows, that's where I got short. Obviously, I know the opening range high got taken out, but from my discretional trading, I did like that you were trading with lower highs pre-market like this. And once we rejected that, I got short underneath VWAP and off that opening range high. Let's go over to YM as well. I also spoke about this too. I had quite a nice run on YM. I think my best exit was down near 750. But look how we take out these pre-market lows right into the open. That's where I got short, and we get the continuation play. What I did notice as well is if you went to the edgeful screener, obviously it's not going to show now because it's still pre-market, but all three or even four, if you include RTY, of the futures markets, the first opening candle continuation, right, the report, the first hour was showing that we were looking pretty bearish across the board, and my screen at the top was confirming that too. So if we go to let's go to the report section here. Let's just go to YM, for example. Let's go to that opening candle continuation report. Okay. And we can see actually in the last 6 months, for the first hour is bullish, 73% of the time will close as a bullish closing day, and vice versa for the short. So quite a powerful tool that if you confirm that with like an opening range breakout as well. But that's what I was looking at yesterday and executed pretty nicely. So we'll take that for the nice win. We obviously had Tesla earnings, which I spoke about yesterday. Trading low on Tesla now overnight, almost 4% right now. So stocks aren't looking too bullish. Nvidia also trading lower pre-market as well. We did rally to close out the day there too, but still trading lower pre-market as well, and right underneath previous day's lows, which is that white dotted line coming across my screen. If you have any questions, make sure to put them in the chat. But yeah, let's go to the US market indexes again today. I think, if you are bearish, if the open comes bearish, you would like to trade towards these previous day's lows. That would be obviously first targets on NQ. That would be 24,800. And on ES, that would be 66.90. Call it 66.90. But yeah, I think it's going to be, I'm scared to obviously just come in short again, obviously after yesterday. So my plan is just to let the opening range develop, let price action unfold, see what my edgeful screen is saying, and then we'll go from there. The DAX, so the German stock market index, is trading lower overnight as well. Bitcoin and gold are both up on the day over 1%. You can see here's BTC and gold as well, getting a little bit of a rally after we've had quite a bit of volatility. I know some guys that are trading a lot of the US equity indexes have gone over to gold, just because there's been a lot of volatility in the last couple of days off those all-time highs. We actually had one day where we were down 5% or so from top to bottom. 6% from top to bottom. So, obviously, you got to also go where the markets are giving you favorable trades. But today, pretty simple. If I would prefer the shorts again, I'll try and trade it to those previous days' lows on one of the US equity indexes. But I'll wait for, as I said, my plan today is going to be wait for the opening range to set, see what price action is doing, what stocks are doing, Nvidia, Tesla, and then I'll go from there. So I'll be in the Discord chat the rest of the day as always. If there's no questions, I know we had a live session last night or evening my time with Andre in the live chat here. So make sure to stay up to date with the Discord, because we do those live streams quite often in here. And then I'll be on my live trading room. I did take those trades on stream yesterday. I'll be in my live trading room as usual, which you can check out in the link in my bio. Excuse me. But yeah, if there's no questions, we can get going into it. I hope that you guys are having a good week so far. It's obviously Thursday. We've got 2 more trading days left. And then, yeah, any news on the cards right now as well? News right now, there's no news today either across the board. No high impact news. So nothing to worry about there or keep an eye out. And then obviously Tesla earnings were yesterday. So again, simple plan. I'd like to trade the shorts back to previous day's lows, right down here on ES as I mentioned, and on NQ. But we'll see what price action develops, and we'll take it as it comes. I hope that you guys have a good rest of the trading day, and we will see you on in the Discord rest of the day.